Good afternoon, class. Here's the calculation or the solution for question number 6 on the quiz. Please know that, Alex generates different tests or different tests for each and every student. Okay, so the concept is the same, but then the given are different. So in this question, we have the figure below. Okay, we're going to find the values of x and z. So using the relationship of angles or angle relationships, such as what were those angle relationships that we've studied for more than a week, class? So we have vertical angles, complementary angles, supplementary, and the like, okay? So in this particular problem, there are two unknowns, so how are we going to do that? We know that 8x plus 30, so this angle, class, is congruent to this angle. What is the relationship? Vertical. Okay, we know that vertical angles are congruent angles. But then, if we're going to use that, so 8x plus 30 is equal to z, are we going to get something? No. But then look at this side, class. We know that when we add 9x plus 14 degrees and 8x plus 30 degrees, we know that this will be equal to 180 degrees. Okay? So solution, okay, find x. What is happening to my pad? Find x. This will be our formula. 9x. Let me just, okay. Plus 14 plus 8x plus 30 degrees is equal to 180. Okay, linear angle, that's 180 degrees. Now let us combine like terms. What are the like terms? So we see the variable x here, then we have whole numbers. 9 plus 8 equals 17, so we have 17x plus the whole numbers. 14 plus 30 would be 44 or 44 equals 180. Okay, let us put that. And then I want my variable x to be on this left side, so I will transfer, okay? Or I will cancel the 44. That's why I want to subtract 44 from both sides. This will be equal to 0. So I have 17x on the left side of the equation. And then 180 minus 44 would be 136. Divide by 17. I have x equal to 136 divided by 17. Can you help with me with this, class? 136 divided by 17 is equal to, correct, 8. Okay, now we solved x. What about z? So to solve for z, class, to solve for z, let us equate 8x plus 30. 8x plus 30 equals z. They are vertical angles, right? We can equate them because they are vertical angles. So now we know the value of x, so I can just, or we can just substitute the value of x, which is 8, plus 30 equals z. 8 times 8 equals 64, plus 30. Is that right? 64 plus 30 equals z. Okay, what do we have as the value of z? 64 plus 30, correct? 94 or 94 degrees. It's easy, right? So once you know by heart the angle relationships, then it will be easy for you to solve the unknown values or the unknown variables, I mean. So it's like solving a puzzle, class. Okay, this is all for this number. Okay, I hope you understood this. If you have any questions, you can just email me. Okay, see you later.